everyone, welcome to the CalFresh family kitchen. Today we're going to make a Middle Eastern traditional dish.
Yes, chef. Today we will prepare tabbouleh, which is a healthy side dish in Middle East.
Let's dive into the ingredients you'll need.
Parsley leaf, mint, lemon, lettuce, and cucumber, tomato, and green onions. And for dressing, we need cumin and salt and olive oil, lemon juice, black pepper, and burghul. So at the beginning, we have a half cup of burghul and 1 cup of hot water. I want to prepare it before I cut the vegetables because it takes time. So I started with the mint. That's it. Approximately it's a cup of mint. And then we cut the vegetables.
There's a lot of things to like about it, but personally, my favorite part is probably the cucumbers and the tomatoes.
Tabbouleh have a vibrant salad that's preferred as a side dish or even a light meal on its own. For dressing, we need lemon juice, of course, and salt and pepper, cumin and olive oil, and then we mix all the ingredients together.
Now we will add burghul. We make this salad almost every day because it's so good.
اللبنانيين راح يزعلون علينا, okay? Because this is really famous salad in Lebanon. So maybe the Lebanese
get mad at us
get
for
mad of
fixing
us
it
because
like
she just tried to squeeze it. Okay, that's it. Okay, now try we serve it. Just put the lettuce around.
My mom likes to decorate food like how she does with clothes, and she's really good at decorating clothes. She dresses up her food.
Sometimes it look good, but it's not. Yeah, I know that. Okay, so now we try to do some decorated here.
You know, usually when I do it, I eat the cucumbers.
Okay, good.
It's like her clothes. She can do anything. Let's try it. So good. This is the best salad that you've made. Actually, we've made.
It's a heaven, right?
I know, right? And there you have it, a traditional Middle Eastern dish called tabbouleh. Happy cooking!